Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before today also, we will try our best to show you creative and inspiring tip for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet wall hanging planters. First of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding beautiful videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet wall hanging planters offer numerous benefits for both your home decor and personal well-being. Here are some benefits of using crochet wall hanging planters. The first and the main one is space saving. Wall hanging planters free up floor space, making them ideal for small apartments or rooms with limited spaces. Aesthetic appeal. Crochet adds a cozy handmade touch to any room, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Unique style. Each crochet planters is typically one of a kind, offering a personalized and unique look. Natural element. Bringing plants into your home can improve air quality and create a calming natural atmosphere. Versatile. Crochet planters can fit into various decor styles from boho to modern, rustic and electric. Customizable. You can easily customize crochet planters in different colors, sizes and shapes to suit your preferences. Durability. Crochet planters made from strong materials like cotton yarn can be durable and long-lasting. Portable. Unlike traditional potted plants, crochet wall planters can be moved around easily, allowing you to rearrange them as needed. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Low maintenance. The crochet structure supports air circulation for the planters, which can help maintain healthy roots and reduce mold or root. Eco-friendly. Many crochet wall hanging planters are made from natural or recycled fibers, making them an eco-friendly choice for plant care. Promotes creativity. The purpose of creating and decorating crochet planters stimulates creativity and adds a personal artistic touch to your home. Perfect for home plants. Crochet wall hangers are ideal for holding small or medium-sized plants such as skeletal herbs and hanging vines. Customizable hanging options. You can choose various hanging methods like books, nails, or tension rods because your wall space. Ideal for indoor gardens. Crochet wall planters are great for indoor gardening, allowing you to cultivate plant even if you don't have outdoor space. Low cost tie. If you enjoy crafting, creating or crochet wall planters can be an affordable dye project. Easy to store. Crochet planters are lightweight and can be folded or rolled up when not in use, making them easy to store. Encourages green living. Adding plants to your home can promote mindfulness and a connection to nature, helping you feel more grounded and connected to the environment. Functional decor. These planters serve both as functional plant holders and decorative pieces, adding life to any room. Helps reduce stress. Studies have shown that surrounding yourself with plants can help reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Sustainable option. By using crochet to create planters, you support sustainable crafting practices, reducing reliance on mass-produced plastic containers. The benefits make crochet wall-being planters a stylish, functional, and environmentally conscious addition to any home. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.